Namaskar. Adhvan Learning today conducted a competition between schools of 8th and 9th standard of Panaji. We had 15 schools participate in this competition called Mission Panaji, Kids Building a Better City. The whole idea was to have a positive discussion, a positive creative output from the students coming with ideas in which they can make a community, their city, a better place. The idea of the future of tomorrow, create a better community for us today, to involve them to come up with great ideas, to come up and bring thoughts that culminate into policies, that come into ideas that can make our city a better place for the future. We had a great event. It was graced by our judges, Dr. Mangirish Salkar, Dr. Manoj Kamath and Professor Prajal Sakardande, who graciously accepted and stayed throughout the event, which went on to about 4 hours, but turned out to be a great event with all our students as well as the teachers as well as the entire community being very happy to go through the event. It was a wonderful inaugural event where a lot of ideas came out. Some schools won, yes, but at the end of the day, and some schools won, some schools lost, but at the end of the day, our city as a Panaji as a city won, because we had about 100 students thinking with one determined goal, how to make our city a better place. Thank you.